Hey, welcome back, guys. This is an off the homestead video, and I happen to be up in the catwalk of a local theater doing some engineering work and reconfiguration of their house lighting system. And as you see here, they have a very old house lighting system. We are up, like I said, in the catwalk, up in the rafters, and I don't know if there's at any point you can see down there below how high up we are. But what we're doing is, at least attempting to do, is to change over their house lighting system, which is very problematic and old, to a new LED based system. There's a new LED light down there that I typically use for warehouses and such. So I'm trying to make this LED system work with, which is a 0 to 10 volt dimming system, which is really a 1 to 10 volt dimming system, but I'm trying to make it work with a digital multiplex signal that typically comes out of a lighting control board for theater use. Uses a protocol known as DMX. So I'm converting a DMX signal over to a 0 to 10 volt or 1 to 10 volt analog signal, which ironically enough old dimmers used to use. The old stage dimmers were actually 0 to 10 volt at one point, but in either event, that's what we've got going on, doing a little conversion and configuring and engineering to make this thing work. Hopefully by the time it's all said and done, we will have an LED house light situation that has been converted over using basically warehouse type LED high bay fixtures. So have a good one. Wish me luck.